Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to recover your iCloud account. So the first thing to do is to launch Open Settings app from your iOS device. From the settings menu, tap on your name at the top and then tap on Sign Out at the bottom of the screen. You will need to enter your Apple ID password in order to sign out or sign into your account. If you don't remember your password, simply click on Forgot Password link. Now, go ahead and enter your iPhone's passcode to proceed. Enter the new Apple ID password you would like to change to. Make sure that your password must be at least 8 characters long. It must include a number, an uppercase letter, and a lowercase letter. After entering a password meeting those criteria, retyping the password one more time. Finally, tap on Next at the top right and you will be able to recover your password. From now on, make sure to enter your new password when signing into your iCloud account. So that was how you can easily recover your iCloud account even if you've forgotten your Apple ID's password. If the video was helpful to you, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.